Apple just flipped the game. The iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just another upgrade. It's a whole new era. No buttons, smarter than ever, and a design straight out of the future. Let's unpack why this is the most revolutionary iPhone Apple has ever made. Now let's talk design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a massive 6.9-inch micro-LED display. Brighter, sharper, and more vibrant than ever. The titanium body is back, but now with ultra-slim bezels and new solid-state haptic buttons that feel like pure magic. This camera is wild. A 48-megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and Apple's first 6x periscope zoom. Low light? No problem. AI-enhanced night mode turns pitch-black scenes into professional-looking shots automatically. Under the hood, Apple's blazing fast A18 Pro chip. It handles console-level gaming, real-time AI processing, and multitasking like it's nothing. From smarter Siri to personalized widgets and AI photo edits, this thing thinks with you. So is it worth it? Starting at $1,199. The iPhone 16 Pro Max doesn't come cheap, but it's more than a phone. It's your camera crew, your assistant, your entertainment hub, and your gateway to the future. If you want Apple's very best, this is it. Excited for the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more next-gen tech deep dives. See ya!